Okay, so we're just going to dive right in, the long thing. First, I'm using a no poreblem primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And then I'm going to take my iconic London glow mist, and I'm going to spray that all over my face.
She like the boy, she no go fit to leave the boy. She say she feeling the boy. Say I'm the man, say I'm the man.
And now I'm using the Eloise Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to conceal underneath my eyebrows. If you want an eyebrow tutorial, there's one already on my channel, so you can go look at that to see how I do my brows.
Gentility, go share humility. Gentility, or share stupidity. Gentility, or share humility. Just me like go call me, jacking down, go call me. Gentility, gentility, or share stupidity. Gentility, or share stupidity. Gentility, or share stupidity. Oh, don't show me back home.
Alright, so now I'm just blending out my concealer that I put underneath my eyes because I'm using this as my eyeshadow base. Yep. And then I'm going to set that with the Banana Deep Setting Powder by Makeup Revolution. The eyeshadow palette today that I'm using is the Soph X Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. It is finished, but I love it so much. It literally has every colour that you can think of. Okay, not every colour, but the staples. And I'm just using Cheesecake in my crease, and then I'm going to use Enchanted in my outer V. Gentility, gentility, or share stupidity. Gentility, or share stupidity. Gentility, or share stupidity. Oh, don't show me back home. Oh, don't show me back home. Oh, gentility, or share stupidity. To whom me make consign. Everything you do, they for my mind. I no forget, I go remind. WC no go decline. Oh, make I unwind. Okay, so this is the magic that we'll be using today. This is the Eloise, I think I'm saying it right, Eloise. It is a liquid eyeshadow that dries down. It's kind of foil, it's kind of glitter. It's bomb. It's amazing, and I love it, and it's just wow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply. I don't need to, this is beautiful because I just want to explain to you guys, you don't need to cut your crease, go through the stress of cutting your crease, carving it, setting it. Just apply it straight. It's easy. I think this will work perfectly for beginners. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply the first layer, then I'm gonna go in with another layer just to give it that power that it needs, you know.
Whoa, yeah. Gentility, gentility, or share stupidity. Gentility, or share stupidity.
Right, so now I'm just going to wing it out with the Touch in Soul London eyeliner. Yep, and then I'm going to apply my Flurry by Fumi 3D lashes. And now the foundation I'm going to be using is my Total Staples L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just going to blend that in. I do think this is kind of dark for me. I usually use cappuccino, but I got mahogany. I think it was by accident, but it works well, I guess. It's gonna come in use in the summer when I get a tan. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend that in, and then I'm gonna use Eloise Fawn Chestnut again, just to highlight, and I'm gonna set that with my Banana Deep Setting Powder again.
Oh, don't show me back home. share stupidity. Want to be, fuck that shit, want to be. Gentility, you share stupidity.
To line my waterline, I'm using the MUA gel liner, and this is like the best liner that I've ever used ever, and it's like £3. It's actually the bomb diggity, you feel me? And now I'm using the Makeup Revolution P13 matte base powder just to set my face and just to sweep off all the excess powder. And now I'm using the MUA Cellular Bronzer. You guys need to stop sleeping on MUA because alright. Let me plug you, man. This is the best mascara that I've ever used. Hands down, the best mascara I've ever used, ever touched. One coat can transform your lashes. So because my camera was gonna die, I did my lip gloss off camera, and I'm using the Ken Beauty lip gloss and lip glaze, and now I'm using the iconic London highlighting palette. And yeah, you guys already know I love this highlighter. This highlighter is bomb, like, man, and it lasts literally forever. I've had this for almost a year now. Okay, I'm pushing it, but I've had it for a while, since January. Deep that. Yeah, almost a year. But yeah, this is the finished look. I've been talking and rambling since morning. I didn't even know it's finished. But yeah, this is the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay woke, and stay prayed up, because these enemies be praying on your downfall and shit. So yeah.
Stupidity.